Welcome to Jonez Garage. We reached 500 subscribers. Thank you guys. There's multiple of you. You're on my Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, Threads. I always see you guys liking, commenting, and stuff. So thank you guys very much. Um, this week we're gonna still work on this hood latch bracket. We're gonna get it put on, but I'm gonna quit boring you guys. I'm gonna skip to this thing being ready to get put back on the car. All right, now this is all ready. Let's get it put on the car. So I'm just gonna clamp this into place right now with a vice grip. And then I'm gonna set the grill on here. I still have to mark the holes in the top of this hood latch bracket for the grill to get bolted to, but I just wanna kind of line it up about how I'm gonna want this thing. So now that I got it on here and I have that hood latch bracket up all the way, the top of the grill is binding on the inside of the fenders. So I'm gonna take some vice grips and just bend the grill in a little bit just so it's not touching right there. I'm gonna do that on the passenger side, and I'm gonna do that on the driver's side as well. That way I can get the grill tucked up under the fenders how I want to. It already has a bend in it from, I'm assuming, from the factory. I'm just making it a little bit more drastic than what it was. Now I got it all bent. It's looking pretty good. I can finally get it up under the fender and try to work on a nice reveal. Now I'm just going to clamp it in place real quick because the holes aren't drilled in the top of the latch bracket yet. And I'm going to adjust this grill around a little bit, make sure it's in the fenders where I want it to be. I'm going to adjust this bracket real quick, give it the right height, so I know where to drill the holes in the back of the hood latch bracket. Looking pretty good on this passenger side. Driver's side gap's too big. Try and move it over to the right a little bit. Unclamp it real quick. Readjust it. A lot better. Looking about the same. Just checking to see how the fender lines up with the top of the grill with this square. Just thinking about how I'm going to mount this thing to the headlight buckets. There's a tab on the inside of the grill that attaches to the headlight bucket, and I might just make the tab attached to the fender apron so then I can just keep the grill where I want it and not have the headlight bucket dictate the mounting point. Now I'm going to mark the holes on the top of the grill to the hood latch bracket so I know where to drill the holes. And I got to remove the grill again. And remove the hood latch bracket so I can get these holes drilled. Drill some holes in this real quick for the grill. Now let's get the hood latch bracket put back on now that we got those holes drilled for the grill. I'm using 5/16 24 nuts and bolts. In the bottom down there on the frame, it's already pre-drilled and tapped from the factory. It was 5/16/24, so I'm just using 5/16/24 all around. I don't want to have mix matched hardware. Just tighten it up real quick. Get the grill put back on. I kind of want the grill to go up a little bit more, so I think we're gonna weld up those holes in the top of the hood latch bracket and then re-drill them, because I need that hood latch bracket to go up just a tiny bit more, and I could just round the holes, but I'm just gonna drill them, and I'm just gonna weld them up and then just drill nice fresh holes where I want them to be. Time consuming, taking this stuff on and off.
That's what I should do.
Yeah, just want it up a little bit. So now I got all these holes drilled for the grill. I got this hole welded up and then moved. Now I need to relocate these. This actually needs to go up more, so I'm gonna weld these holes in. And then when I put this on the car, I'm gonna mark where the holes are in the core and then re-drill, so then this can move up. So I'm gonna weld these in real quick. Let me know in the comments if you want me to edit some more of this stuff out. Like, you guys want to see more of me grinding metal and cutting and welding, or you want me to just skip to the stuff being done? I need to know, so just drop a comment and let me know. All right, now let's get this put on here, and then we'll mark it to where to drill the new holes. Now I got to get the grill and hood latch bracket lined up one more time before I can start drilling the holes. Now I got everything where I want it. I'm going to drill the holes from the core into the back of the hood latch bracket. I got them both started, so now I'm going to take the grill off. So I don't want the drill bit to go through the hood latch bracket and then hit into the grill. Actually, it'll be easier to just take this whole bracket off and drill it on the bench. And then get it put back on. I got the holes all drilled now. Now I'm putting it all back on. Now I can put everything back on. Well, that's going to wrap it up for this week. We got the grill on. We got the hood latch bracket all modified and new holes drilled in it, old holes filled, and that's on there. That was time consuming. Now we got to mess with these headlight buckets. We'll do that next week. There's brackets on here that mount to the grill, and right now when the headlight bucket's in, it's too low. The grill's higher up, so I need to bring this up, and I need to bring some of these brackets outward and keep the headlight centered in the grill. So we'll mess with that next week. Thank you guys for following along. Please like, comment, subscribe. If you're new here, check out my playlist, 64 Falcon Restoration Series. We'll see you guys next Sunday.